Hello, welcome to this tutorial video on Swift Cloud ERP, your complete solution for managing and tracking job orders across every stage of production. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use this system to create, monitor, and manage your job orders seamlessly from initiation to final completion. You agree with me that one of the biggest challenges in production environments is keeping track of tasks as they move from one stage to the other. With Swift Cloud ERP, you gain full visibility and control, ensuring that every process is properly tracked, no step is missed, and productivity is optimized. Whether you're overseeing operations or directly involved in production, this tutorial will help you understand how to navigate the platform and use its core features effectively. By the end of this session, you'll be able to confidently follow and manage job orders through the entire production lifecycle. So, on Swift Cloud ERP, we have the job order module, and it enables you to track your production process. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your job/work order, and for it we have the customer job orders and the supplier job orders. So let's work with the customer job order for now. Okay, for this I'll be creating a job order for a fashion designer. So the first thing you need to do is to create the categories. So for now we have men category, we have women categories and fabrics. You can easily create a new category and name it, let's say, kids, if you make children wears and create. So we're done with this. The next step, you create your other steps, which I've already done. You can see step 1, we have the measurement, step 2, cutting of material, step 3, sewing, step 4, fitting, step 5, adjustment, step 6, we have delivery. If you have other processes you might want to add, you can just click on create new and add another step, or you can edit one of these steps and move it to a different stage of the production process. So we also have other colors, so you can create colors from this place. You can see we already have yellow, red, white, and black. Then the inquiry options, it's just like your categories as well. So from here, you've already created your other categories, you've created your other steps, and you've created your other colors. So the next step will be to go to customers and pick a particular customer that you want to create an order for. Let's say we go with Aisha Ola. Okay, so when you get into Aisha Ola's dashboard, you just need to scroll down. Then among these blue patches, you see job order. You come to the bottom, by this red patch you see new job order. You click on it, then you create an order for her. Let's say Aisha Ola is interested in a blue what's it called, a blue gown. Let's just say blue gown. So you can describe it further, give a summary that, okay, say blue short gown. So the category now, you can see that the categories have appeared here. We have men, women, fabrics, and kids. So let's just go with women category. What's the color? Remember we say blue. Okay, we don't have blue here, so let's just click on white for now. Then we have the dates that the order was placed. So let's say she placed an order for this today. So we are currently on the first stage of production, which is measurements. So click on it, then delivery date. When do you expect it to be ready? You add it here. So let's say we give it another 2 weeks for the work to be ready. So who are you assigning it to? You can see we have only one user for now. So we also have quantity in case the person is making order for multiple item. If she wants two of those dresses, so you can have two there. Then you can either put your notification on or off. So let's leave it on. Priority, how urgent is the work? So from here you just create. Okay, by the time you create, you can see that measurement, we have one under measurement, and that Aisha Ola. You can see it here. So the next thing, by the time you're done taking a measurement, you can easily just click on this green to take it to the next step, which is cutting of material. This indicates that Aisha Ola's dress is being prepared. They've started the cutting, so you can move it a little further to the next step, which is the sewing. So you keep on moving continuously by clicking on the green. Then the red will take it back to the previous process, which is cutting. So this is how the job order works, and it can easily be customized to any industry out there. Thank you.